Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to copy links from 1688 on Taobao. Well, we're gonna start with Taobao. This is really simple. We're gonna find our application and we're gonna open it. Okay, right here you can see all the products. You're going to click one of the products, and right here you're going to see this button right here. You're going to click it, and you can click this icon right here for copy the link right here. You're going to click it, and here you go. There you go to have copied the link in Taobao. It's the same case uh, for 1688. It's not it's not like the same, but it's really similar. You're going to open the app, and once you open the app, you're going to click one product. Once you click the product, you're going to see right here this button. You're going to click, and here right here you're going to click this button. That means you're going to copy the link of the product. Okay, it's really easy, it's really simple, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.